Hey guys, welcome to BD's vlog. তো guys, আজি নতুন এটা প্লেছত আহি আছো। তো চাই থাকক ভিডিঅ'টি শেষলৈকে। বৰ ধুনীয়া প্লেছ হয়। তো মোৰ লগত আছে ভৱেশ বৰুৱাই বাইক চলাই আছে আৰু মই ভিডিঅ' কৰি আছো আপোনালোকৰ বাবে যাতে সুন্দৰ দৃশ্যবোৰ কেপচাৰ কৰিব পাৰো।
Now there's no one here, I know. And the city outside's not the same anymore. And I remember when we were young, we'd write our names in the sand so carelessly. Then the rain came and yours was gone, and now mine, it stands alone. Nobody sees me now, I'm a one-man show. I'll do this on my own. We knew it all then, now this is all I know.
এতিয়া পিকনিকৰ বতৰ আৰু বহুত লোকে বনভোজ খাবলৈ আহিছে একেলগে চাওক এয়া বহুত লোকে একেলগে বনভোজ খাই আছে
Guess I'm heading home now. Guess I'm heading home now. When the music always played with the sound of our lives and the sweetest escape. And the neighbors would complain. We would turn it up louder, who cares anyway? 'Cause we remember that we were young. Our lives were grains in the sand. That we made our castles and kingdoms up. Now the waves have torn them down. Nobody sees me now, I'm a one-man show. Guess I'm heading home now. Guess I'm heading home now. You'll find me, I'll be here. I can't see, I can't breathe anymore. But how could we have stayed? You were high on love, I was drunk